Hello, hello, hello. Today is March 4, 2026. Yesterday there was a total lunar eclipse. I missed it because we had clouds here. Problem 250. An extremely easy Newtonian mechanics problem. Truly high school. No question about it. It deals with a ballistic pendulum. The mass m of a ballistic pendulum is 3.0 kilograms. Its length L is 2.5 meters. A bullet with a mass of 9.0 grams hits the block and sticks in it. As a result, the deflection is 18 degrees. See figure below. There you see it. What is the bullet speed? Couldn't be easier, trust me. Yeah. This is a high school problem, no question about it. All right, problem 250.